Just to make sure consumers are getting the best quality. Yes. Thank you.
So these are our products. We have this is just a little of what we have.
Yes.
Then this is the flavored water.
So thank you so much, sir.
The capacity of the animal dairy characteristics, the udder, the stature, feet and legs. We need a functional cow that can perform in a herd, give you a lot of milk in so many years, so that the farmer can benefit. Very good.
Wewe ndio mwenye nyara?
Yo mzee wa nyara.
Na kujua kama mzee wa kitu kingine.
The udder is so good, the top line is so strong, very...
Committed to take it to even higher levels. We have 86 milk correction centers. Your Excellency, it is my humble request that is 50 per liter paid consistently every 5th of the month and other benefits based on society performance. You are $1,500,000. And this money mostly circulate within this sub-county, C-Circle and K-Unity Circle, hence embracing one of the cooperative principles, jobs and economic wealth to the community. Your Excellency, and human foodstuff, NHIF, and the blood fresher was born. We are primarily a dairy blood, other government institutions. Your Excellency, this creates job empowerment. Corporate
rekodi Afrika nzima ya kwamba ndio number 1 kwa kutoa maziwa ile nyingi sana. Wangu makofi jameni. Your Excellency, kama ilivyo small, hata sijui ile mti ile ceremonial tree ambao huwa unapanda iko karibu na dairy kwa heshima ya ameanza kutengeneza, lakini bado analemewa kidogo. Your Excellency, ile ambayo tulikuwa tunajenga bado haijamalizika. Your Excellency, hiyo hospitali ikimalizika, tumefungua maziwa itoke Rwanda ama pahali pengine.